Check, check. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2. Yeah, can I get a little bit more on the monitor? Thank you. Check, 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 check. That's great, thank you. Hi guys, my name is Emma, and I want to play a few original songs for you. I hope you guys like it.
If it's only just one night with you.
Stop. Let's reset to the downbeat of the bridge. You were a little flat on that last part.
Wait, which part?
A little everywhere. Let's run it again. That wasn't the one.
If it's only just one night with you.
Yeah, do you hear this? I mean, literally listen to what's going on in there. This is not working.
Dude, look at him. He looks like a pop star. Do you see the man bun? I know you can make him sound good.
Hey, Dallas, you've had a long night. Let's just knock this out some other time. All right? That
Yeah,
cool?
totally. Yep.
Yeah, we'll reschedule in a few days.
Good job, Dallas.
Yeah.
Mike, you know it's my ass on the line with the record label, not yours. Listen, they gave me a deadline for some new material, and...
Okay, so say I record this song with Dallas. Do you think I could ever perform that song live? You know the money is in live shows. No one makes money on record sales anymore. You know this.
I get it, but the label wants something. I don't have another vocalist. Let's just work with Dallas, okay?
Fine. We'll go with Dallas. Now, I guess the record label knows best, right?
That's right.
I need a drink.
Well, I'm off. Call me on my cell if you need me.
Thanks, guys. Once again, my name is Emma, and if you guys liked it, I have some CDs at the front for sale. Have a great night.
Alec, what's up? You miss me already? Yeah, I'll record them in the morning. Sure. See you later. Bye. Oh
my God.
I'm sorry.
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
No, that's my fault.
Wow.
I should have been watching while I was going. Sorry, let me.
You know what? Keep them. Keep it.
My name's Mike. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Okay.
Once again, you're listening to 88.5 KCSN. Playing in the background a track called Scattered, put out by Michael Sain about 2 years ago. Man, whatever happened to Michael Sain? Stay tuned, it's KCSN.
But things that are not often there. I'm all alone in the city. No one to comfort me. And as I sit here and wonder, when my mind's not with me, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Jane. Mom.
I'm not finished.
Okay. I had a really good performance.
You're just wasting your time on this open mic shit. Look where it's gotten you.
I'm really trying.
You don't get it. I don't get it. It's really hard.
If it's only just one night with you.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Yesterday I was alone on the beach, counting seconds with the sand on my feet. Again, humming softly to the breeze and waves, gold horizons and my sunny days I sing it note by note by note. If I'm likely, then I'm fading away, caught in the wind, blown over the bay. If I felt that, I'd probably choose to waste it away. I do it to stay, I do it to stay, do it to stay.
She's perfect.
Hello, Emma. My name is Michael Saint. Wait, what?
Emma, I'm trying to sleep.
8116 Hollywood Boulevard.
Excuse me. There's a Neumann U87. That microphone's worth a lot of money.
Yeah, I got your message and then I was trying to figure out how to... Wait. Are you the guy from the other night?
Yeah, small world. I never got a chance to formally introduce myself because you you kind of ran away from me. I'm Michael Saint.
Well. Are you gonna play something for me so I can sing?
Yeah, absolutely. Hold on.
Yesterday I was alone